In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete project in Framer 2026, step by step. Before we begin, a quick heads up. In Framer, deleting a project is permanent. The platform guides you through an archive step first to prevent accidental loss, and then allows a final delete from the archived view. Make sure you have the right permissions in your workspace, and if needed, save any assets or notes you might want later, because once deleted, you can't recover the project. Start by opening Framer in your browser and signing in. From your dashboard, go to your projects area. If you're part of multiple teams or workspaces, confirm you're viewing the correct one. Then look at your recent projects so you can quickly find what you want to remove. Hover over the project you intend to delete to reveal its actions. Click the project's options button, the small menu you see highlighted on the card, to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Archive. This is the required first step. Framer does this to add a safety layer, so you don't immediately lose anything by mistake. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Archive Project to confirm. Your project won't be visible in the main list anymore, it's moved to the archived section. Nothing is permanently erased yet, so if you reach this point by accident, you can still keep the project safe by leaving it archived. Next, open the archive view. You'll see an archive section in your Framer project's interface. Select it to access everything you've archived. This is where the final removal happens. Take a moment here to double check you're acting on the correct project, especially if names are similar across your workspace. Inside the archived list, locate the project and open its options menu. Click Delete. Framer will ask for one last confirmation because this step is irreversible. Read the prompt carefully, and when you're sure, click Delete Project. The project, its pages, and associated drafts are permanently removed from your workspace. Any shared preview links will stop working, and if the project was connected to a published site or custom domain, that connection will no longer be active. A few final tips as you wrap up. If you don't see Archive or Delete, you may not have the necessary role in the team. Contact an admin or the project owner. If you're cleaning up multiple items, work methodically. Archive first, then open the archive view and delete from there to avoid mistakes. And whenever in doubt, keep a backup of important content before you proceed.